Have you ever wondered what secrets lie behind the success of one of the world's wealthiest individuals? Today, we're diving deep into the life of Warren Buffett, the legendary investor known for his frugal habits. Discover the 15 smart and thrifty habits that have shaped his financial empire, and see how you can apply these principles to your own life to secure a brighter financial future. Stick around until the end. You won't want to miss these invaluable insights. 1. Be careful with loans. Did you know Warren Buffett has only ever taken out one loan? That was for a vacation home, and he did it because he believed the investment would yield greater returns than a savings account. The takeaway? Think twice before taking out a loan. Ensure it's a wise financial move that will benefit you in the long run. Buffett's approach teaches us to weigh the potential returns against the costs and risks involved. Instead of accumulating debt, focus on saving and investing wisely. 2. Focus on quality over brand names. We all crave quality, but Warren Buffett emphasizes that brand names don't necessarily guarantee it. He opts for well-made suits that are durable, not because of the brand, but because of their lasting value. Remember, true quality lies in the product's functionality, not its label. This mindset can be applied to everyday purchases, from clothing to household items. Look for products that offer longevity and durability, rather than those with a hefty price tag due to branding. 3. Avoid unnecessary spending. Buffett's frugality is legendary. He converted a dresser into a bassinet for his first child and borrowed a crib for his second. His philosophy? If you buy things you don't need, you will soon sell things you need. Avoid splurging on non-essentials and consider borrowing or repurposing items instead. This habit not only saves money but also encourages creativity and resourcefulness. By rethinking your spending habits, you can find joy and satisfaction in living with less. 4. Don't invest with borrowed money. Buffett once borrowed 25% of his net worth for investing, a decision he later regretted. His advice is clear: don't invest with borrowed money. Instead, use the extra money you have. There are numerous investment apps that make this process straightforward. This principle can save you from the stress and financial strain that comes with debt. Invest what you can afford and let compound interest work in your favor over time. 5. Be cautious with home upgrades. Warren Buffett has lived in the same house since 1958. He believes a home should meet your basic needs without unnecessary upgrades. Before making changes to your home, ask yourself if they are truly essential. This mindset helps you save money and live within your means. It also fosters contentment and appreciation for what you have, reducing the constant desire for more. Before we continue, if you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. 6. Opt for budget-friendly takeout options. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett is known for his modest eating habits, often choosing a $3.17 meal at McDonald's. This shows that you don't need to spend a fortune on food to enjoy it. Look for tasty, budget-friendly options to keep your spending in check. By making simple choices like this, you can significantly reduce your food expenses and allocate those savings to more important financial goals. 7. Choose a cost-effective vehicle. Buffett doesn't drive flashy new cars. He prefers trusted older models or used cars. This is a perfect example of living below your means. You don't need a brand new car to get around. Opt for a reliable, cost-effective vehicle instead. This approach not only saves money on the purchase, but also on insurance and maintenance costs. It's a smart way to manage one of your most significant expenses. 8. Pursue a career you love. Buffett attributes much of his success to his passion for investing. Loving what you do can significantly boost your performance. If you're not happy with your job, consider starting a side hustle that aligns with your passions. When you enjoy your work, it doesn't feel like a chore. This intrinsic motivation can lead to greater achievements and job satisfaction, ultimately contributing to your overall well-being and financial success. 9. Use cash. Credit and debit cards are convenient, but can lead to overspending. Buffett uses cash to manage his spending better. With cash, you're more aware of how much you're spending because you can only use what you have. This simple habit can help you stay within your budget and avoid the temptation to spend more than you can afford. It also makes you more mindful of your purchases, encouraging more thoughtful spending. 10. Look for discounts. Buffett believes in purchasing high-quality items only when they are on sale, whether it's stocks or clothing. This is a great tip for anyone looking to cut back on expenses. Always be on the lookout for discounts to maximize your savings. This habit can be particularly beneficial during seasonal sales and clearances, allowing you to buy quality products at a fraction of the cost. It's a strategic way to stretch your dollars further. 11. Don't upgrade unless you need to. Warren Buffett only upgraded to an iPhone in 2020 and uses his items until they're truly worn out. This approach helps avoid unnecessary purchases and save money. Make the most out of what you already have before considering an upgrade. This habit can extend to all areas of life, from electronics to clothing. By using items to their full potential, you can significantly reduce waste and save money. 12. Clip coupons. Even billionaires like Buffett see the value in coupons. When dining with Bill Gates in Hong Kong, he used coupons at McDonald's. No matter your financial status, coupons can save you a significant amount of money. This practice can be applied to grocery shopping, dining out, and even online purchases. By taking advantage of coupons and deals, you can lower your expenses without sacrificing quality. 13. Abstain from smoking and drinking. Buffett has never smoked or drunk alcohol. These habits can be costly and detrimental to your health. By avoiding them, you can save money and potentially avoid hefty medical bills in the future. This also highlights the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. By making conscious choices, you can improve your quality of life and financial stability. 14. Avoid the risk of gambling. To teach his kids about the pitfalls of gambling, Buffett gave them their allowance in nickels and a slot machine, reclaiming all the money they gambled away. This lesson underscores the importance of investing in ventures with potential returns rather than gambling your money away. It's a powerful reminder to make informed and strategic financial decisions rather than relying on luck. 15. Have a simple wedding. Weddings can be expensive, but Buffett and his second wife opted for a simple ceremony at his daughter's house. They saved money on the event and used the savings for investments. Prioritize your long-term financial goals over lavish expenditures on one-time events. This principle can be applied to other celebrations and big-ticket items. By focusing on what truly matters, you can make more meaningful and financially sound decisions. So there you have it, 15 of Warren Buffett's smartest frugal living habits. While not all may suit your unique circumstances, these principles are incredibly valuable. By adopting even a few of these habits, you can pave the way toward a more financially secure future. Start implementing these habits today and watch the positive impact they have on your financial health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.